Do you wish to study in the United States but feel overwhelmed by the application process? Hi, I am Professor Chukwuzibelu, an academic mentor and career coach. I'm a professor at Texas A&M University, the largest university in America. I am also the founder of Blacks in Additive Manufacturing. My mission is to help international students achieve academic success. Every day I receive many emails from students around the world seeking advice on how to get into a graduate school in America. Many have paid academic consultants but still experience rejection and lack of funding. I'll tell you this, the US graduate school application is program dependent. I will explain. Graduate admission is a three-stage process. Now the first stage is the University Graduate School Office, which is responsible for setting the primary requirement for admission. In the next stage, the various university departments sets the secondary requirement that will also inform the decision on the application. The third stage is a combined review of the first and the second stages, and this is done by the Graduate Admissions Review Committee. Think of it as a building. The foundation is the first stage. The second stage is the housing structure built on the foundation, and the final stage is when the civil engineer inspects the building to make sure everything is in order. As someone with a wealth of experience in the Graduate Review Committee, I must tell you that requirements change a lot from semester to semester. With this experience, I want to help you demystify the process of applying to graduate school in America. As my worry people will say, follow who no road. Now the good news is that I am hosting an exclusive webinar, Insider Secrets for Aspiring International Graduate Students, on Saturday, July 6, 2024 at 7 p.m. Nigerian time, which translates to 1 p.m. Central American time. This webinar will be very informative and interactive with Q&A sessions. For you that is an undergraduate student looking for a Ph.D. position in America, this webinar is what you have been waiting for. Should you wish to relocate to America through education pathway, this webinar will show you exactly what to do to make your relocation dream a reality. I will draw from my in-depth experience as a Nigerian student who successfully navigated the US graduate school system with full funding and successfully helped people achieve the same. I understand that the process of applying to a graduate school can be challenging. That is why this webinar is aimed at making this process simple for you. Now, to further encourage you, I'll be giving away a brand new laptop computer to a future scholar during the live webinar. Now, to qualify for the draw, attend the webinar, follow me on Instagram and TikTok, Professor Fodike, tag 5 people whom you think this webinar will benefit, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel. I will also give out free seats for this webinar to 5 active followers. Reserve your spot now. Limited slots are available, but they are filling up fast. You need to act now to be part of this life-changing event. The world belongs to people who take action. See you on July the 6th.